Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade Hershey chocolate chip cookies. You will need a stand mixer, a rubber spatula, measuring spoons, measuring cups, and a butter knife.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Crack both eggs and put them in. Put in 1 stick of room temperature butter. Next, put in the half stick of shortening. Then put in 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Then add 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. After adding the vanilla, raise the mixing bowl and stir on a medium speed. Stir until all ingredients are well mixed, then lower the bowl. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then you will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. After you've added the baking soda, add 2 1/3 cups of flour. Once you've added the flour, raise the mixing bowl and stir on a low speed. Stir until dough is formed. Next, add 1 bag of chocolate chips and stir on a low speed till evenly mixed. You will now want to remove the bowl from the mixing stand. Scoop out 12 dough balls on one pan. then place in the oven. Set a timer for approximately 14 minutes. Once the timer goes off, check your cookies to see that they are golden brown, then remove from the oven. After letting your cookies cool for a couple minutes, enjoy with a cool glass of milk.